This is STEM TV with Quanisha Bridgman, Judith Diaz, and Sports with Jordan Camper.
Welcome to school. Today is Tuesday, an A day.
Good morning, STEM Academy. This is Principal Jonas Crenshaw welcoming you to STEM TV. STEM TV is a student-created and student-led newscast that is planned, recorded, and produced by the students in our Communications Technology class. After a great deal of preparation, our students are now ready to take responsibility of investigating and reporting the news that matters most to you, our STEM students and parent community. We're excited that you're a part of this great transformation. Again, welcome to STEM TV. Welcome to excellence.
Hey seniors, this is Miss Kennedy, your senior advisor for this year. Just a couple quick announcements. Your prom theme this year will be a night of royalty, and your motto will be Kings and Queens of 2017.
Congratulations, STEM stars, on making an honor roll.
Hello, my name is Miss Cameron, and I'm the school counselor, and I also support the CTE programs here at STEM Academy at Showalter. During the month of April and May, our students will be taking the PSSAs in English Language Arts, Math, and Science. The PSSAs are administered to our middle school students in grades 7 through 8. In addition, our high school students in grades 9, 10, and 11 will be administered the Keystone Test exams in the content areas of English, Algebra 1, and Biology. Our students have been working very hard to take the upcoming assessments during this month. In the coming weeks, our students in the 9th grade will receive a presentation that will be given by our engineering tech and CommTech teacher. The students will see a full presentation on the happenings in the CTE program. From there, the students will select which CTE courses they would like to be involved in after receiving a demonstration lesson. Well, that's it for the Counselor's Corner. Thank you.
And here's Mr. Jones with the safety tips of the week.
I'm Mr. Jones, and this is your safety tip of the week. First, you want to make sure you have your safety goggles on. Even if you do wear glasses, you still want to put your safety goggles on. You have protectors on the side. Next, what you want to do is you want to make sure your drill is unplugged before you make any adjustments. Here I'm putting the drill bit in, using the key. Next, make sure the power strip is off. Plug it in. Turn it on. And that's your safety tip of the week.
We've been working on dividing polynomials, so the synthetic method is a quick and easy way to do it. It only works when we have a single x that we're dividing by for the polynomial. And all we do is take the opposite sign of this, put it in a little box, and then write the coefficients of the numbers in the polynomial. And we bring down the first term, the coefficient there, and all we do is multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. We got -4 plus 6 gives us 2. We start the process over again. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. And then we have to write our answer out. Our last number is always the remainder that goes over the divisor. Since it's positive, it's a plus. Our next number is our constant in the answer. And the next one is our variable, 3x. And then there's our answer.
Hey, this is Mr. Mathis, and this is your lab of the week. The lab of the week is what I like to call a sensor bumper. We're just going to use 2 sensors. The first sensor that you see on top is an ultrasonic sensor, and the sensor that you see in the back is a touch sensor. And I'm going to show you guys how to program it. So let's go to the computer. All right, the first thing you want to do, you want to set a loop because you want the robot to move constantly. After it runs this program, you want it to run it again. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag and drop the loop command. And the next thing you want to do, you want it to move forward before it does anything. The first movement that you want the robot to do is move forward. So you're going to drag and drop the move command. Then the next thing you want it to do, you want to activate the ultrasonic sensor. So we're going to go into the wait command, and we're going to go all the way over to the distance command. We're going to move our distance. That's going to activate the ultrasonic sensor. The next thing you want it to do after the ultrasonic sensor is activated, you want to move again, except for you want to move backwards. So how you will move backwards, you'll come down into the settings and click back instead of forward. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to go back into wait, and you want to click touch, the touch command, and you're going to drag and drop, and it's already set because after it's pressed, it's going to move back forward again. So all it's going to do is going to move forward, then it's going to stop when it sees an object, then it's going to move backwards, then it's going to stop and move forward again after the button is pushed. Let's run it. All right, you ready? All right.
All right, so as you can see, the ultrasonic sensor senses the wall, and when I touch the touch sensor in the back, it moves forward, and vice versa. And since it's in a loop, it just keeps going back and forth until I finally end the program.
This is Mr. Mathis, and that was your lab of the week.
And here's Miss Ames with Science Demo of the Week.
Hey, this is Miss Ames with your Science Experiment of the Week. So here I have 4 Erlenmeyer flasks. In my first one, I have water with a universal indicator in it. We have some vinegar, just a little bit in this one, some ammonia in here, and last one we have a little bit more vinegar. So what's going to happen and what you'll see is this universal indicator will change depending on if the solution is acidic or basic. So right now it's a little bit basic, and when we mix it and swirl it up, it's a little pink now. It's become a little bit more acidic. And we mix some more. You see it became a nice like bluish purple, so it's become really basic this time. And our final solution, our final change, we go back to being acidic.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lovitz. I teach at the STEM High School. I teach a class called Sociology. And sociology is a great class to take for a whole bunch of different careers. It is at the intersection of philosophy, psychology, history, economics. And if you go into a sociology class, they're going to teach you how the individual relates to other individuals, different groups, different cultures, and society at large. So if you're familiar with all those different connections, you're going to be a very good employee in a career like education, or maybe in marketing, or especially in the careers of counseling or social services. So if you're interested in any part of society, understanding how it connects to all the other parts is going to make you a better employee, and it's going to make you more money. And that's something you can believe.
What, the school uniform?
Yes. It's nice.
I mean, yeah, it's school uniform. I got mine, go get yours. You can see Ms. Johnson for a catalog in the front office.
This is Mr. Bernie. This is your fitness challenge of the week. The bench press. You can pick whatever weight you feel comfortable with, and we're going to do a max out as many as you can do. Okay. So you put your arms in a good position, extend up, bring it down to just the fist of your chest, back up, extend, keep going until you actually burn yourself out and can't do another one. Please make sure though you have a spotter when doing this. How many can you do?
Good morning, STEM Academy. This is Judith Diaz, here to talk to you about the European College Tour for next year. Students have the opportunity to go on a 10-day-long European experience. We've planned for the junior and senior class to visit places like Dublin, London, Paris, and St. Patrick's Cathedral. There are some requirements that you have to go on this trip. You need an accumulative GPA of 3.0 or higher, a teacher recommendation, you can't have more than 2 office referrals, and it can be used as a senior project. If you're interested in early enrollment, you have until February 28th at midnight to register.
And here's the College of the Week with Miss Arnold.
I'm Miss Arnold, and this is the College for the Week. I have a question for you. Did you see the movie The Great Debaters? What do that film, Thurgood Marshall, Langston Hughes, Cab Calloway, Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana in West Africa, and Gil Scott-Heron all have in common. They all can trace their roots to Lincoln University. Why is that important? Because it suggests that if you want a life of eminence, you might consider Lincoln for your undergraduate degree. The university was founded in 1854 with the name Ashmun Institute. It was renamed Lincoln University in 1866 in honor of President Abraham Lincoln. Although the university has two satellites, one in Philadelphia and one in Coatesville, its main campus is near Oxford, Pennsylvania, where they service 1,600 students. In addition to offering 38 undergraduate majors and 23 undergraduate minors, the school offers students the opportunity to study in Ecuador, Argentina, Spain, Ireland, Costa Rica, Japan, France, Cambodia, Zambia, Liberia, Ghana, Kenya, Russia, Australia, Thailand, Mexico, the Czech Republic, and South Africa. Can you tell I'm a strong advocate for studying abroad? After hearing this, I'm guessing that you have a question for me, which is, how much does it cost? About $23,000 for your freshman year, which includes $2,000 for books. Now, do you want to know how far away it is? About 45 minutes from Chester. And we have a few students from STEM already enrolled there. So, if what you have heard sounds like a fit for you, and that, by the way, is the most important consideration in choosing a college, go online, make a call, and take a ride to Lincoln University.
We thank you for joining STEM TV. We hope you enjoyed the show, and we hope to see you tomorrow.